Adury Apparels is a 100% compliant factory engaged in manufacturing ready-made garments for European, American and Canadian markets. The production has its state-of-art machineries from Juki and Pegasus of Japan, comprising of total 800 machines. As the group has a composite facility from yarn to finished fabrics, delivery schedules can be maintained on time, which keeps Adury ahead from the other competitors. Also, Adury Apparels has an experienced technical and professional management team with trained and skilled workforce in all its sections. The approximate production capacity is 10,14,000 pieces per month. The management of Adury Apparels believes that if the workers are given due facilities and benefits, they return many times higher to the company through their performance and labor. In line with this vision, the Thermax Group provides all facilities like salary and benefits, bonus, increments regularly as per Bangladesh labor law and ILO portfolios. Also, celebrating the International Labour Day on 1st of May, a special increment is given to all employees and workers. At every factory of Thermax Group, there are adequate space for the workers to take rest, safe water supply, canteen facilities, separate toilet for male and female workers and other needs. Wide emergency exit stairs, masks and aprons and full-time doctors are a part of every Thermax production facility and is an integral part of the company policy. Thermax Group houses modern child day care center for the young children of the women workers. Pre-production sampling and all specific works are done following buyer's sample and approval. After getting complete approval from the buyer's side, the main production schedule starts. In Adury Apparels, the cutting department has trained and skilled workers and managers who ensure accurate cutting of fabric as per cutting layout, maintaining measurement, size and design.